Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the management reporting topic, pivot table, pivot chart, slicer and how to make the attractive charts with the help of slicer and pivot table. So without wasting time, let's start.
Here we have one simple sales data, that is the product wise, employee wise and city wise sale. So first of all we have to make the three pivot tables for product wise, employee wise and city wise. So that I already created. First is the product wise pivot table, product wise sale total, and I already created the chart for this also. So similarly for employee wise sale I created one pivot table, and that is linked to the this chart, also linked to this pivot table, that is the employee wise sale. Similarly, third one I created the city-wise sale, that I make pie chart because it is only three rows are there, that is easy to understand the pie chart. So these all three charts, what I did, I copied to the one main sheet, that is the MR management reporting. So in this sheet I changed some formats of the charts also, that you can select the chart, you can go to the design and format, you can select different formats. So already I settled some formats. You can change your format also. So in this format, all three charts, what is the product wise and city wise and employee wise, I already copied. So next step, what to do for these charts, I want to add the slicer. So slicer mean if this product name, I want to see only one product, two product, three product. From slicer, I can select the different products. So first of all, we have to insert the slicer for these three charts. So first slicer, I will select the chart. I can go to the analyze. Then in analyze, insert slicer is there. So in insert slicer, when I will select this one window will show that representing this all columns there. So first of all, this is my product wise chart. So I want to link only the product to this chart. So I will select the product name. So this my slicer is product wise sale. So it will give the list of all products. So this is my first slicer, that is the product name. So I can copy here. This is my first slicer. So you can see this all products name are coming and all products names are coming in the chart also. So similarly we can insert employees chart, employee slicer also. Similarly we can go to the slicer and we can select the employee name. Then we can get the employee slicer. So we can keep it here. Similarly we can get the city wise slicer also. We can go to the analyze and then we can insert the slicer for city. So similarly we got city wise slicer also. So this you can see this slicer are working only for the different their graphs. So if I will select the B, so we can see only B sale total here. If I will select here one employee name Ahmed, so I can see the only Ahmed sale here. Similarly, I can select the product. If I want to see the product X, I can see the only that product. We can remove the filter from, we can select remove from here, we can cancel here, then all will come there. So similarly, if I want to select the multiple, like if I want to see the only U and Y product, so what I can do, I can go here multi-selection. So if I will select on this, then now I can select the multi-product like W and Z. These two I want to see only, unselect. This is opposite working, unselect. If I want to see only two, this product Y and then product Z. So now I can see the two products. Similarly, if I want to see the V also I can see. So if I will remove this multi-selection, then all products will come together. So this only individually working. This is how we can link each other. If I want to see the only product U in different city, how much sold and which employee it is sold. So I want to make the analysis of, I want to link these charts to each other. So these slicer can be linked to each other. So first of all, I will link this slicer city to other slicer. employee wise and product wise. Then I will select the CTA, then I can see CTA total employee wise sale and product wise sale. So similarly, first of all, I will link this slicer to, we can click right on city slicer, then we can go to the report connection. So in report connection, I can see the two other slicer. Slicer mean pivot table, same one. It will link to that pivot table and slicer and this chart also. So I will take these all three now linked with city link, city wise sale. So now okay. Now these two are linked with city wise, but this slicer I also want to link. So first of all, we can make all link. This employee wise slicer also can link to each other. And similarly, we can link product wise also. Report connection. In report connection, just want to take only the relevant pivot tables. So now my links are completed. These three charts are linked to each other. So now if I want to see the only CTC sale, CTC sale mean this is the product wise in CTC and this is employee wise in CTC. So similarly, I want to see the only one name Ahmed. So I can see the Ahmed sale in product wise. So I can remove this filter from here. Now you can see this all everything is linked. This also we can remove. If I want to see the only product W performance, how much sale in each city and how much sale by each employee. So I can see this X product. First we can remove the filter, then we can see X product. So X products performance I can see where different. See here Mary is more sale in X product. So which city she sold? In A city, it is sold more. We can add labels here also. There's no problem. In 19,250 dirham sold in city A. So here we can make quick analysis. This product A, product X is sold by Mary, and its total amount in city wise. Like different angles we can see that quickly. So similarly, we can remove the filter for this. So I want to make the analysis for the city A. What is the performance of city A? So if I will select the city A, in city A we can see this, which product is sold, who sold more quantity. So like this we can see the analysis of sales. Thank you for watching.